I got the egg roll. Let's try chili egg roll. It's good. Super good. Super crispy skin. Flavor on point, super balanced. All right, next dishes that just came out were the salt and pepper prawns. Gonna try it with a little bit of the side sauce, which kind of looks like a sweet Thai chili, honestly. Super good, guys. Super good. Next one you can try is a papaya salad. Super good. It looks so pretty. Super light, kind of spicy. Really good. All right, the next entree that we have is the check-in satay. Super classic dish. So good, guys.